Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to making a students activity, words activity for students, that she words, sh words. We use petals and circle or a single step to make this activity for our notebook. Now we cut a petals like this. Draw a circle on a paper and make a complete flower with it. Cut the circle and a single strip of it. Now our material is ready. Now we paste it on a notebook of our student. Use a strip like this. Okay, we pasted this strip like this. Okay, we paste over petals, all the petals. You use any color if you want. You use one color petals, different color petals, two colors petal, as you wish. Pasted all the petals like this. Okay, our petal almost is ready. Paste over circle. Now it looks amazing. Write a sh, ship, wish, shell, fish, and in last word if sheep. Words. Now